Can you use Character AI without logging in? Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. So can you really use the Character AI without logging in? Let's go ahead and find out. If you are new to your Character AI, you will notice that the first thing you need to do is to log in. You can log in using your Facebook credential, Google, or your Twitter as well, or make a manual account. After you have logged in, then you will see an interface like this, which means you have successfully created a profile for yourself. However, without logging in, you will not be able to use your Character AI. This is because this must actually save the data, which might be the character you created, the voice you added, or the personas. So, without logging in currently, you will not be able to use your Character AI. As for now, there is no such update from Character AI itself. Hopefully, in the nearer future, there might be a chance where you can use the Character AI without actually creating an account. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.